Today we got Elmer's glue. I already put some in here, but here.
Let me move.
Okay,
So first you gotta stir it so all the glue get together.
And then you put Tide in here. You gotta put a little bit or it's not gonna work.
If you put a whole bunch,
and if you don't stir your glue, it's not gonna work. It's just gonna be big chunks of glue. Yeah.
See, she pouring it in the top.
You can't use that much because if you use a lot, and you can see that I got the yellow kind. It really don't matter what kind you got.
Is this even on YouTube? Let's see. Pour some more. I really want to put some up in the top to see how much you need.
You don't got to.
If you want to, if you don't want to, just do what you have to do.
And then you stir it and it starts turning into slime. And make sure you scrape off the edges.
Scrape the sides.
And then I like to use my hands and get all the glue from everywhere because it sticks to the spoon and stuff. That's why I like to use my hands. You can see it's forming into slime. So I like to use my hands because it's faster and better. But if you want to use a spoon, you can. So it's working.
Oh, look the slime.
So that's how you make it. But to make it unsticky, you gotta keep on playing with it and playing with it. It's gonna become unsticky. We made it without using borax and stuff.
That's how we make our slime.
Yeah. So we just used. Remember, you can just use Tide and school glue. Show them the school glue.
School glue right here. School glue.
Just show them the Tide.
And then we got the yellow kind, and it makes.
Remember, you can get any kind. Put it on you. You can get any kind of Tide. It don't matter though. So goodbye. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And that's how you make slime.
Pause it.
Goodbye.